Morse code is a telecommunication method created in the 19th century, essentially based on electrical signals seen as dashes and dots. So today I'm going to be writing entire words using only 2 buttons on an LCD screen. Let's go. So here we have the 2 buttons for the dot and the dash. Here we have the entry. Here is the key for all the Morse code with the alphabet. So let's go and write something up. So here's that. We wrote an entire word using just 2 buttons. Okay guys, so here's the code. We start off by including the library for the LCD screen, and then we'll just assign integer values to different pins for the buttons and the LCD screen. And those are just parameters. This is the loop, so this is the method that's gonna bounce, if you may say. This is the parameter for the button, and this is for the dash. So down here we have the translator, which does the actual translation based off this method down here, which contains every single letter of the alphabet and their equivalent in Morse code. If you want more details or look at it more slowly, there's a link in the description. You can just go down and check it out. So guys, this is the end of the video. Comment, like and subscribe. And if you need the source code, it's all in the description, along with my GitHub link to go to my GitHub page to check out all of my projects. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.